Hey, right, hello. Today in this video, I'm going to be going through how to remove backgrounds in images. It's a fantastic tool. You don't have to use Photoshop. It's so simple and easy to do it in Canva, in your Canva account. There's a couple of different ways, so depending on whether you've got the free version of Canva or the pro version, you can do it in two different ways. But if you have the pro version of Canva, which I highly recommend because it has so many amazing features, you have a background remover feature. So what I've done is I've just opened up a basic template. This is just a Facebook template. I've added a photo. Canva has hundreds and thousands of different photos within their depository here. And I've just found a couple of photos to show you the background remover. The best way it works, the really good way for background remover to work well, is if the focal point, which is the part you want to keep, is different to the background, very different. If the colours match, it can sometimes get confused and take out parts of your images. So I've just got three different types of photos here. We've got a very blue background, which is completely different to this lady, the skin tone of her. So basically, all you do, add your photo into your design, click on the photo, and up here you've got these options. Go to Effects, and you have already installed a background remover effect. I'm just going to click this, and it will take a few seconds as it does its magic in the background, and it will hopefully completely remove the blue background for us. Like I said, this is only available with the Pro account at the moment. So it's a good idea to have a Pro account if you regularly do this with your graphics. And there we go, the background has been completely removed. You can now move your photo, set it so it's right on the edge, and you can add different colour backgrounds. You can add in patterns, you can add in shapes, you can add in whatever you want. I'm just going to show you with a colour background. So this is just a blank square. It's grey at the moment, but you can change the colours here to anything you would desire. Let's go for one of my brand colours, and then you just use the position button to move it backwards, and there you go, it's moved it behind your lady. You can then add in your text and create your design here. It's that simple. This one's got a bit of a pattern background to it, so I just thought I'd show you how it works on this one. Again, click the photo, Effects, background remover tool. It's as simple as that. It removes the background for you. It's perfect, absolutely perfect for product-based businesses. So you can take the background out, you can swap it, you can add an image in the background if you've got one with a table on, you can make this slightly smaller, you can add a border around it, you can do absolutely anything. It's a really good tool. And lastly, I have this super cute photo of a dog. It's a very dark background, and he is absolutely gorgeous. I just loved him. So I thought I would just remove the background of this little fella as well. So if we go Effects, Background Remover, as you can see, it can be done with any type of product or item. With this one, there is just one feature, so it's removing all of the black, all of the dark colour in the background. Perfect. With this one, we've got several different items. It's still picked them out as the top layer and has taken that background out for you. So that's how you do it if you've got the Pro version of Canva. If you have not got the Pro version, you're working on free, you can do this, but you have to use an external website called this one here, Removebg. Removebg. It's a fantastic website, it really is, and it does work very well. It's 100% free. Go to remove.bg, you can upload your photo. I've actually got a photo of the dog here. If I open it, it will then do its thing, and it's removed the background for me. I can now download him with no background and upload him into my Canva account to use as I wish for any of my graphics. So there are two ways of doing this. The first way is using the background remover tool in Canva itself if you've got the Pro version, and if you've got the free version, use remove.bg. These are absolutely fantastic things to do, especially if you're using yourself, say a photo of yourself, and you want to add it into a banner like I've done here. This is the banner for my Etsy shop, and I've removed the background from an image from me and I've put it into my banner. So it's brilliant, because you wouldn't want the background of my living room in this image. You just want the clean cut version with the background removed. So it can be used for absolutely anything. So I really hope that helps, guys. If you need any help, any tips, anything at all, please contact me. I'm always available, and I really hope that's helped you understand and learn how to use background remover and improve your designs.